Welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Emily. This is Charlie. Let's go ahead and get started in a half-mile walk today. Nothing fancy. I'm going to meet you back here. We're going to start in our gentle walk. Let's go. Nice job. So happy to have you along for a gentle half-mile walk today. I'm glad you pressed play and decided to take a healthy walk with me. Welcome to my living room. Welcome to my space. I'm Emily. I'm a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, and a wellness professional. I create videos here on YouTube to help folks feel confident, stronger, and more fit in their own bodies at any age, any stage of life. So if that sounds like something you need today, you have found the right place. You have landed where you need to be. We have 4 basic moves. We're starting in a gentle walk here. Just step it out, marching in place, nothing fancy. We take those basic moves and just build off of them. So I like to keep these workouts fun and exciting, light and playful. But again, it's not about dancing. If you have coordination or balance issues, this is a great practice for you. That is something we work on all the time in our walking practices, but also our yoga practices. So just walk in place, find a beat, catch that rhythm, and let's go for it. We won't be here long, so it's a nice short workout, so great to fit into any time of your day. I know we have busy lives, so it's so important to move your body in a healthy way every single day. And that's what we're doing right here, right now. Nice job. I'm going to turn to the side. You do as you please. We're going to take the next move. It's going to be a knee lift and a knee lift. Little tummy tuck here. So just think of drawing the belly button in towards the spine and feeling that lift, a lightness in the knees as you lift and lift. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return back to home base. This is where we always come back to, just a gentle walk. Nice. So great part of home walking, you don't need any fancy equipment. The only thing I ask that you have is something for hydration. I want you to drink water throughout this workout and then also throughout the rest of your day, just rehydrating the body, nourishing your body, how essential it is to stay hydrated. Really, really important for just all functions of life. So please drink lots of water today. Nice. Our next move is going to be a kick. So just kick and kick. See how high you want to reach that leg, and then see if you want to tap or reach the opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Nice. Have a little wall or support like a chair close by if you need it. Again, working on balance and coordination, balancing the right and left hemispheres of the brain. It's a beautiful and simple way to get healthy and strong, both mentally and physically. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, return back to home base, back to your walk. Let me give this little fella some love. Good boy. So Charlie is our rescue dog. We think he's between 12 and 15 years old at this point. He's been the best doggy in the whole world. And he comes to all of my walks with me, so very cool to have him, as well as you, of course. Let's take a little side step. It's going to be a step out and back in. Fast or slow. Again, we're warming up the body. So take your time. If you want to step it up, bump up your pace a little bit, please do so. But as always, this is your workout, so make it your own. If I'm going a little faster or a little slower, just see what you need in this moment, right? No right or wrong, just as long as you're moving, you're doing this workout right. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, return back to home base. So home walking, I found, is super accessible for just about anybody can do this workout. So again, no restraints on, fancy equipment that you need. Really, as long as you can move, you can do this workout. Nice. Let's go ahead and get the arms, the upper body involved. So as the knee comes up, we're going to reach the arms up. Here we go. Reach up and up. Yeah. Little tummy tuck here. Draw the belly button in. Nice. Feel that activation through the 360 core. So we talk about the front and the back of the core. We're here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return right here to your walk. You're doing a great job. We are halfway through this workout already. Blows my mind how quickly these go by. I think if you're having fun, you're doing it right. So you really need a workout that works for you and not the other way around. So we want fun workouts so that we can stay consistent in our wellness journey. So let's keep it fun. Nice, take your feet wide here. Oh yeah, get those backside muscles fired up. We're gonna take a mini squat with a heel lift. So from here, squat down, lift a heel, yeah. And the hands can kind of do as they please. You could keep them on the hips if that feels okay, or any other variation. Little squat, check in with those joints. So if your knees aren't loving it, you can skip the squat and just do the taps with the toes. Nice. Find your flow. Tap it out for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return home base right here. Great job. Ooh, fingertips to the temples here. So not pulling on the neck, just lightly touching the temples with the fingertips. And as our knee comes up, our elbow's gonna twist. So a little torso twist here. Again, activating through that 360 core. It's like a crunch, only standing. So when you're ready, yeah, a little crunch, crunch, maybe tuck the belly button. Here we are, 10, 9, 8, 7, take your time, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back to your walk. Well done. Take a side step. When you take the side step, see if you can do like a little curtsy lunge. So it's gonna step out, toe back, step out, toe back, yeah. Keep it going. Hands are secondary. So think what your hands need to do. Could have them out in front for extra balance. Tap out, little lunge down, yeah. Different activation, great for the backside muscles. For 5, 4, you got this. 3, 2, last one. Great job, walk it out. I'm curious who's walking with you today. Like I said, I got trusty Charlie with me. I'd love to know if you brought somebody along for your walk today. With a furry friend or just a best bud that wants to come along. Very cool to work out with other people, your friends, your pets. Let me know in the comments. How's things going? How's your body feel in this workout? Do you like this workout? Would you like to see more? Please let me know. I love hearing from folks. It's so cool to connect with folks all over the world. It's just really a neat way for me to, get the message out. I really think it's important to move every single day, whether it be 5 minutes of mindful movement or, a whole hour-long practice. As long as you move your body, you're doing yourself a huge service. So great job. And we're coming up on half a mile already, so this workout's gonna come to the end soon. Let's take the feet wide and just walk it out while I chat with you here. March, march, march. If you need more, if you have more time, if you're ready to bump up the pace a little bit more, I do have other workouts, so check out my 1 mile, 2 mile, mile and a half workouts. And also, we never want to skip the cool down, so I do have some gentle stretching workouts for before and after any workout. Nice, with the feet wide, take a little kick back. Yeah, go for it. Maybe get those arms up. Nice, when the foot goes back, the arms come down. Pull down, pull down, yep. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return, home base, walk it out. Go for the gold. We are so close. We're gonna cross that finish line already. I'm gonna count us out. We're under 10 minutes. That's 1,000 steps in under 10 minutes. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did it. High fives, a round of applause just for you. That was half a mile workout. Let's start to slow it down. Oh yeah, don't skip this stretch. Slowly come to a stop here. Take a little tap out with the toes. Nice job. Definitely would love for you to like, subscribe, and share. It's gonna help other people get the message out and help me bring this workout and this mindful movement practice to folks all over the world. So thank you for doing that for me. It's a free gesture, doesn't cost anything. It's as simple as a little click here. Release for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Return here to that stillness. Take an angel breath. Inhale, sweep your arms tall, maybe gaze lifts up. Exhale, softly release and lower those hands down. We got 2 more of those. Inhale, sweep your arms tall. Exhale, let it go. Relax, release the hands. Last round, inhale, grow tall in the spine. Exhale, lower the hands down by the sides. Give it a little shake, a little wiggle out. Great job today. I am very proud of you. You just did half a mile walk in the comfort of your own home. If you would like to connect with me further, please head over to my website, emilydaugherty.com. Over there, you can snag your Gentle Stride Guide. It's a beginner's guide to home walking. In it, I share all kinds of tips and tools about how to get started in your wellness journey. So head over there, grab your Gentle Stride Guide, and we'll connect further that way. So in the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you again very soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.